Several new updates regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are discussed. First, Samsung is partnering with the Instagram to introduce a new feature that allows users to access the Play Instagram camera directly from their lock screen, providing a quicker route to posting a new content or sharing a story. The S24 Ultra dummy units have also been leaked, revealing a boxer and sharper design compared to the S23 Ultra, and the phone frame getting a flat like the iPhone 14. Additionally, Samsung is offering a flat discount on the S23 Ultra and the Z Fold 5 through their Shop Samsung app, along with the boosted trade-in-store upgrade and the $25 additional discount. Lastly, Apple is finally bringing RCS standard to iOS due to the EU regulation, which will upgrade the messaging feature for Apple users when communicating with the Android user, making cross-platform texting more effective.